Tucker! It's Barkbox time! What'd you get? What'd you get? Open it. Open it. Here, look. No, no, no. You got it there. What'd you get? What is it? You gonna open it? Here. Tucker. Ooh. Holy pig ear. You got a huge pig ear this time. Oh, it's a gaming one! Look, he got a Super Nintendo controller. And he got a little sneaker. Oh, a sneaker, yes. And then we have duck treats. Soft and chewy duck treats. And banana cocoa. Oh gosh, Tucker, you're in the way. Peanut butter, banana, and coconut chewies. Ooh. Got so many good things, Tucker. So much good stuff. Oh, and you got stickers. He got a little sticker sheet. So cute. Throwback Thursday. Oh, that's potty like it's 1990. That's so cute. Aw, that's everything. And Tucker already has his favorite toy, which is, of course, the Super Nintendo controller, which fits perfectly for us. Isn't that right? You like that one? Yeah. Yeah. Tucker's got his favorite toy.